Hi guys, and what's up good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Ruth. In case you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you so much for always consuming my content. Thank you so much for your amazing love and support. We are finally at 1,100 watts. Well, we are at 1,120 subscribers right now as we are talking, and you people, I'm super excited. Of course, I'll not tell you why I'm not excited, because I'm about to show you why I'm so excited. Of course, here is my son, and he started his YouTube channel.
Kindly subscribe
He's
to my
called
YouTube channel.
See, wait, I introduce you.
Okay.
Come on.
You don't introduce my
No, see, wait, I finish telling them so
Okay.
that they subscribe.
Na hii lipstick inakaa bright sana.
Inakaa bright, inakaa poa, inakaa mrembo.
Alafu ubaya pia rangi yako iko black.
Nini yo?
Hii lipstick iko black.
Kwa sawa wachana
Sasa,
mimi unakuja kunichongoa hapa kwa live yangu. Anyway guys, today we are so excited, of course, me and my son.
That's why nilikwambia hii fungue tu.
Yeah, so what we are about to show you, before we mention,
It
we are not going to show you. Okay, Jaden, wewe uta mention na kuona utataja hapa venye unaongea. No,
surprise.
Yes, it is a surprise. Not a surprise per se, because sisi okay, hata sisi hatujaiona, imefika tu saa hii. I just received the delivery right now. And this is something that I've always wanted since last year so
and
badly.
I gave you.
I've always I mentioned the person, because the person who gave it to me has not yet allowed me to mention her name. Okay, I'll mention her in the next video if she'll allow me to do it. But for now, I'll use she, because she's a she. She's the one who gifted me this gift that I'm about to unwrap with you guys, and you'll know why I'm so excited. By the way, let me tell you guys now, back to serious business. I was saying, yes, road to 2,000 subscribers. Wait, thank you so much, my people. I don't know what to say. So this is something that I've always wanted. I've been talking about it since last year. I've always been saying I really want. And I remember this year when I was doing a video with my friend called Delagaki. There was a video I did, and then I mentioned at the end of that video, where I was doing a video of get to know my friend better. I mentioned at the end of it that there's something that I wanted as a gift. You're feeling hot?
No, I know what is the gift you want.
No, so just keep quiet too. You want to tell them.
I don't want to tell them that one.
Okay, keep quiet.
Yeah.
So, I used to mention I want it. So this one time I was doing a live stream, and I mentioned I want something, and like, guess, God came through. A friend, a fan of mine, decided to surprise me with this gift that I'm about to open. Are you guys ready for the gift? Are you ready for my... Oh, I'm so happy. It's just a big win for me, because I've always wanted, I've always admired to have it, but I've never had it. But yeah.
Have you started the video?
I started the video a long time ago. I want to show you guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Are you ready, Lucky? Are you ready? I don't know. Let me set the camera first, and then I show you in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wait, I set the camera because I don't know. Sitaki kuileta hapa because itachafua carpet.
Later tutachafua.
Okay, si kitu kichafu.
Mr. Dimple.
But let me set the camera mahali munaweza kuiona.
Yes. I'm Mr. Dimple.
Yeah, let me set
Dimple.
Yeah, so guys, I told you I was setting the camera. Aki Jaden, see, wait first, I finish. So guys, I told you I was setting the camera, and my house is too tiny, but I've already set the camera. So I want to show you. I've never showed with this dress.
Mom, it's not seen.
Anyway, it's not time for showing you the dress, my people.
Yes.
It's time for showing you the gift. I really want to say thank you so much to this beautiful, amazing lady who surprised me with this big gift. Before I unwrap it, before you people get to see it, if you see my kitchen, please don't worry. Let's concentrate on the gift. Sour. Yes. So I want to say a big thank you from the bottom of my heart to this amazing, beautiful lady who surprised me. I'm so much excited. She didn't allow me to mention her name, but if she allows me to mention her name, I will mention her name in the next video where I'll be doing what? Yes, where I will be doing what? I'll tell you. So I'll mention her name. But for now, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it, and I'm enjoying the gift. You people, she just gifted me the other day, and it is finally here. So are you guys ready to see? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let me show you the gift. Ooh, no. Yeah, I don't know. It cannot be seen all of it, but I want to unbox so that tuone sisi wote. Because I don't know. I think by now you already know what gift I'm talking about.
Yes, you know.
Do you know now what I'm talking about? Do you know what I'm talking about? Let's unbox so we get to see together what it is.
Let us put it aside.
So excited. I'm ready, la la la.
Tufungue.
If you nakajua kale ka feeling kakujibiwa maombi naona raha. Ngoja, hapa haifai kukatwa na mimi nimekata box.
Unatoa ni karatasi shwari.
Hapa haifai kukatwa na mimi nimekata box. Jesus Christ. Let's unwrap together. Acha na hapo, nimejua mali nafaa kutolewa ni hapa. I hope wananiona. Lakini yangu haikufika juu.
Let me close it for you.
Nishafunga. Sorry baba. I don't know kama wanatuona tukishoot. Somebody is calling me. Who is this? I'll just pick their call later.
Ta-da! You can see. Wow, you ready?
Are you ready?
Wow, mommy.
Because ukiona ni box, you definitely know what it is. It's a big.
Mom, are you ready for this?
Sasa hiki yetu.
Sinema. Tunaitoa kutoka chini.
Yafaa tutoe kutoka chini.
Bali kufanya aje? Hivi. Iwe kidogo.
My son knows better than I can do.
Nipige bali. What? Did you see that? God is good.
God is great.
Now I remove the paper.
Yes.
Wow! That's so funny.
Huh?
Oh. It is not Shika mtupe. Shika mama mtupe nikipea.
Ngoja kwanza.
Tufungue.
Ngoja.
Wait, kitu hiyo ka diamond ma.
Hebu songa waone hawajaona kwanza. I don't know whether they should see what it is. It is
just see. It's a fridge. Thank you so much, that friend. Okay, Mungu abariki your friend.
That's how it looks from the inside. Si usonge hivi baba waone.
Unajua itabidi tutoe kila kitu.
Kubwa huku juu.
Itabidi tutoe kitu.
Hii ni manual ama ni sijui nini? Achana na hiyo kwanza.
Tutatoa baadaye.
Just do it baadaye. Siwende na nini unarakisha usonga waone.
Now see it.
Najua at least nimeset camera mahali mnaweza ona nikifungua the whole fridge. Tulikuwa tumewaonyesha the upper parts. And then this is how it looks like hapa chini. So I don't know, but at least nitawaonyesha when I'll be restocking. At least this time around I'm not doing a shopping all alone. At least I'll be doing a shopping all as I restock my fridge. For now I don't have anything to put inside, and of course imefika sahi wameniambia sifai kui nini on sahi, nipe time cool. I don't know, maybe around 10 huko ndo ni yake, because right now it's afternoon. Right now it's around 5 or 4 there. So wameniambia ni take time and then ni yake on. But at least you've already seen the gift was the fridge. It's a 138-liter fridge.
Wow.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited because I've really gotten what I've always wanted for the very long time. Thank you once again to my fan. If she'll allow me to mention a name, I'll mention when I'll be doing the restocking of the fridge. For now, since she's not allowed me to mention a name, I'll just say thank you because she knows herself. I know she's watching this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this gift. May God bless you. May your cup never run dry. Such kind of fans. Yani mimi for the first time napata fan ananisubscribe. Na surprise you. I've never been surprised. This is the first surprise and I thank the Lord. Yes, so at least hata mimi nitakuwa nakunywa maji baridi. Nitakuwa nakunywa nini tena? Nitakuwa nakula smoky from the fridge, of course. Yes, let me stop it there. Let me end the video. That was what I was showing you, my people. It is a fridge. We are so excited.
So excited.
We are so excited. I can't wait. Sasa nikuwe na shoot. Nimeleta shopping na restock naweka hapa. Hapa mnaekanga nini hapa juu? My people. Hapa mnaekanga nini? Sijui ni smoky, sijui ni nini, maziwa. At least sasa niko na fridge ya kuweka. I don't know why hapa iko na space kadogo.
Hapa. Hiki tu.
But anyway, we don't care. We just appreciate it
very much.
Sasa hutu tushimo ni za nini?
Hizi.
Za mayai ama ni za nini? Anyway guys, I will try it later sasa. Hadi umeenda kuleta mayai, hebu leta tuweke. May want to end this video and my son wants to try. Hebu jaribu weka. Sidhani kama ni ya mayai hiyo.
Hii ni ya mayai, hii inalalishwa hivi.
Ukweli?
Sio mtu anaweka hivi straight. Analalisha.
Okay, I don't know. My son is teaching me, you see. Hata enda alinisaidia kufungua, mliona mimi kwa najua.
Yes.
Oi. Mimi mam Gen Z mamu za mshamba. Anyway guys, let me wrap this video. Thank you so much for watching. Road to 2,000 subscribers. Guys, please be watching my videos. I get monetized, man.
Yes.
Don't just watch and watch. My son started a channel. Hata ulini interrupted this kuambia channel. Please subscribe to his channel. It's called Jayden Morara. Not Morara Kevaso, but Jayden Morara.
You forgot to say.
Na imeandikwa in capital.
Yes.
It says Jayden Morara. Utaona picha yake hapo kwa kanini. Yeah. I forgot to say what?
I wanted to tell you that say in capital letters.
Oh, in capital letters nishawambia guys. So, let me wrap this video. I don't want to make this video too long. Pay wabo. Yes. Next time, who knows? God will bless us with a washing machine.
Yes.
Sasa sitaki kuonyesha TV stand yangu huko imepasuka. Sasa sasa hii turenje na fridge kwanza.
Yes.
I don't want to show you my TV stand. It's broken. It's broken. It's broken. So I don't want people to see it. Just look at the fridge right now.
I'm just really happy.
Guys, allow me to end this video by see you on my next
Let me tell
video.
them bye.
My next video I'll be restocking. Who knows? God will bless me with money and I will restock this fridge. I'll be having at least a few things, 1 or 2, 3 to restock. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
I think they can see me.
Say bye. They'll
Bye.
just hear your bye. Because nimeset camera juu mali inaweza onekana. So usifinye. Yes. See you guys on the next video. Adios.
Adios.
Peace.